You put it back.
Stay still here.
This is Sinru, my very beautiful little girl. And Titi. Oh no, later you see in the pick-up point, huh? You see Jojo first, okay? Titi, look at Jojo. Smile.